Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Few days ago, Appa did a salad prawn. Today, I intend to do a salad fish. That day I used green apple. Today I'm going to use mango. Alright, so I have some nice mango here, cuts into bite sizes. And I have taken out the meat, taken out the meat of a snapper here. As you can see, Appa's cutting kung fu is really very bad. So if you can probably get the seller to get the meat out for you, okay? So then it will look much nicer. So both sides, remove the meat and then cut the fish meat into cubes like this. Later we are going to deep fry. Right, so before you want to deep fry the fish, you're going to marinate it with some salt, fine salt, some salt. Turn it over. And some white pepper. So after which, I have prepared some, this is rice flour. You can also use cornstarch, potato starch or tapioca starch. So what we want to do here, it is to put in the fish, and you want to coat the fish with a nice layer of rice flour here. Our fish is already marinated, yeah? Turn one round. You have something like this, and you set it aside for it to rest. And we are going to do exactly the same with the fish bone. Okay, now I'm going to take the fish bone here, cover it. So we are going to deep fry this until it is crispy as well. Appa love to eat fish bone. How about you? Leave your comment in the comment section, okay? Let me know if you also love to eat fish bone like Appa. Give it a bit more oil and bring the temperature up to probably about at least 150, 160. Okay, would you know that? Put some chopstick inside. You should be able to see some bubble. I'm going for the fish cutlet. No, the fish cubes first. Yeah, fish chunks. It should be cooked within 5 minutes. Okay, this is only about 2 to 3 minutes. See? It's already golden brown in color, and I can feel it is very crispy outside. And you can see the bubbles is getting lesser and lesser. That is the sign telling you it is actually getting cooked, yeah? Because the water, the liquid inside the fish is getting lesser and lesser. And I'm using medium-high heat here. Okay, so the fish is ready. I'm going to put it aside. One thing you notice when you coat some flour all over the fish is that it will not splatter. That's the best part. Okay, this is after about 1-2 minutes. I'm going to slowly flip it over. Wow! Okay, this is after another about 2 minutes. Total, I think this frying probably about 5-6 minutes. Fish is ready fried. The fish cubes is also fried, and we have the mango, and I have some mayonnaise from my salad prawn the other day. I always try to find ways to finish out my sauces. If not, it's quite I don't want to waste any. Yeah. So what we do here is we can actually put. Okay, we're going to put the mango now. We give it some mayonnaise on top. This is the mayonnaise from Japan. So I hope you like my very simple mango fish today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.